Hello, military linguists. My name is Dalton and I'm going to be your English teacher. I'm doing this very short introduction to the lesson plans that I'm uploading for each of the double lessons that we have. I want to just go through it so that you know what information you can gain from reading your lesson plan. Firstly, of course, we have here the column that tells you what number is the lesson and what's the overall theme that we're looking at. Secondly, this column tells you the activity that's going to take place in those two lessons. This one tells you what to prepare. I'll write any remarks here as well if you need to bring something or we have to meet in a different room, things like that. You'll see that all of these are links. I have put all the documents and PDFs, etc. in a Google Drive folder so that I'm able to link to that folder. Otherwise, you might find different types of websites that you need to go look at, etc. But it will be here. And your homework, sort of for the foreseeable future, is kind of set in stone. Otherwise, there might be adjustments to these lesson plans, but never to the homework unless something unforeseen happens. But your homework is, for now, set in stone. This column over here called Learning Objectives and Checks, I want you to pay attention to. What I'm doing for each class is that I'm writing the learning objectives that you can expect to achieve during the class, or after the class, rather. I'm also writing checks. So what this means is that I'm going to give you tasks and different exercises that will allow you to check the progress in terms of these learning objectives. There's obviously going to be differences in terms of how or to what extent you achieve the learning objectives, and the checks will give you an idea of that. Moreover, I'm also going to give you time to reflect on how you might consolidate and further develop these learning objectives. So at the end of the class, I'm going to ask you to reflect on how far you've reached, or to what extent you've reached the learning objectives, and what steps you might take until the next class in order to consolidate these learning objectives. So it should be pretty clear to you how far you've come within the two lessons, what you need to do for the future, and it should be clear for you, it gives you also how you need to prepare for the next class. Okay, so that's it for me for now. This is done using a piece of software that I want you to download as well, called Screencast-O-Matic, which allows you to record sound over basically any screen that you've got open on your computer. So if you want to be a little ahead of everyone else, make sure to download that. It's available for PC and Mac, and I want you to use that in the future tasks. So have a go at that and see how it works, so you'll be prepared for that lesson. I will see you very soon. I'm looking forward to working with you. Bye.